Hi, I'm sitting here at my rug hooking frame. I've been hooking all afternoon. And in the process of hooking today, I've been thinking about the mystery art project. And the thing I want to tell you is that it is one of the best learning projects that I can think of at the studio. I've always said that if you want to get really good at rug hooking, make a lot of rugs. And this project lets you join for the year. And intentionally, I have lots of different ideas and thoughts in each month, and different wools and different textures in each month, because what I discovered last year, that the mystery art project is a learning project. And if you want to be a rug hooker and you want to get good at it, and you think that I'm the person to teach you that, then I think joining the Mystery Art Project is a great idea for you. We have limited space left, so if you want to join soon. And I just want to show you like some of the designs that I've drawn for this year and how many of them, I'm just flicking through how many of those that I drew for this year. And one of the things I've discovered is that this was one that a little drawing that I did that I ended up not using in the Mystery Art Project. And what I found is that every time I do an 8x8 study, I can use it bigger and I can use it as a different in a different way, and I can create big rugs with them too. And that was something that I never really counted on from doing those 8x8s, that they were studies and that they were such good teaching tools for me to learn myself. So if you want to get really good at rug hooking, and you think that I'm the person to teach you how, then I think you should join me for the Mystery Art Project for 2024. You sign up now at hookingrugs.com, and it starts in January, and it's available now at hookingrugs.com, and it won't be available for very long. See ya. Join me.